Huertos comunitarios de sociedad básica, modalidades de
Initiatives like this are just fabulous because they involve people who may be interested but don't have an outlet for it. You know, it actually inspires people of all generations, gives them an outlet, and they're incredibly valuable.
The initiatives that have taken place in the UK that could be exported to other countries. I spoke earlier in my talk about the skip garden, which is a large dumpster where you put rubbish. So they move those into city areas or areas of construction. They fill them up with good soil. And they allow people to come and plant and grow and garden them. And then when that area, they're going to do construction there or they need it, they just put it on the back of a truck, move it down the road a bit or to another area.
The growth of the urban allotment movement is down to environmental concerns. You know, we're all aware of how the green environment is important for health and well-being, particularly mental health, and it's a movement that continues to grow in cities throughout the world.
There are many ways that urban allotment projects can improve the quality of life in cities. The first and most obvious is just greening and making an area look much better.
Any green space, whether you're growing vegetables, herbs or flowers for cutting, improve the quality of people's life. There's just no doubt about it.